The 2026 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome is not just transportation, it's a moving palace designed for those who believe the journey should be as luxurious as the destination. From the very first glance, the exterior radiates elegance with its aerodynamic body lines, signature LED lighting, and a commanding front grille that proudly wears the Mercedes star. Every inch of this masterpiece has been sculpted for both beauty and performance, blending luxury and practicality in a way only Mercedes can achieve. Step inside, and you're immediately welcomed into a world of sophistication. The cabin greets you with the scent of premium Nappa leather, handcrafted wood veneers, and brushed aluminum accents. Soft ambient lighting dances across the walls, setting a serene mood whether it's day or night. The panoramic windows stretch wide, bringing in natural light and allowing you to soak in breathtaking views as you travel the world. The living area feels like a luxury lounge straight from a five-star hotel. Plush seating with massage and heating functions ensures maximum comfort, while a state-of-the-art entertainment system with a 75-inch 8K OLED TV and surround sound transforms movie nights into cinematic experiences. The kitchen is a chef's dream, fully equipped with a built-in espresso machine, induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and even a temperature-controlled wine cellar for those who enjoy the finer things in life. When it's time to rest, the bedroom invites you with a king-sized memory foam bed, silk bedding, and automated blinds for privacy at the touch of a button. A walk-in wardrobe ensures your outfits travel wrinkle-free, and the ensuite bathroom is nothing short of a personal spa. Featuring a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, and even a built-in aromatherapy system, it's the kind of comfort that makes you forget you're on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome is powered by a turbocharged V8 engine paired with Mercedes' advanced EQ hybrid technology. This combination delivers both raw power and exceptional efficiency, making long-distance travel smooth, quiet, and surprisingly fuel-conscious for a motorhome of this size. The intelligent suspension system adjusts in real time to road conditions, while advanced driver assist features keep you safe and confident whether you're navigating mountain passes or cruising along the coast. Storage is abundant, with cleverly hidden compartments and a fully climate-controlled garage space perfect for a motorcycle, bicycles, or even a compact sports car. Every system in the motorhome, from climate control to lighting and security, is connected to the Mercedes Smart Command app, allowing you to manage your mobile mansion from anywhere. The 2026 Mercedes Luxury Motorhome is for those who don't just want to travel, they want to live in motion without ever compromising on comfort, technology, or style. It's more than a motorhome, it's a symbol of refined freedom. If you dream of a life where every road leads to luxury, this is your key to unlocking it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more breathtaking luxury motorhome reviews.